Natural Divas, it is I, the naturally mature one, coming to you with another video. Okay, today's video is going to be about my favorite items when it comes to my hair. So, if you would like to know what favorite items I use, continue to watch. Alright Divas, I am back. This video is going to be about my favorites deep conditioners. But if you are new to my channel, hit the subscription button and the notification bell and join our Diva family. If you like the content, check out my videos and just join us if you do like what you see. But let's get this video started because I want to make it short and sweet. As told you in my previous video, my favorite shampoos and shampoo and co-washes. Now I'm going to tell you my favorite deep conditioners. I deep conditioner every week, no matter what. I deep condition. Is a staple in my my wash and go routine, my wash day routine, and I make sure that I use products that I love and that I've seen results from. So let's even just move forward and I'll let you know. Let me grab the first one. Alright, my first one, it was my OG deep conditioner. I'm going to put it here because do I have a bottle up there? Let me see. Stop. Alright guys, as I said, my OG first one, the conditioner I fell in love with, has the awesome clean smell. It's empty really. I need to get a new one. It's a Diva Curl Melt into Moisture. This stuff here melt into moisture. It moisturizes some of my hair. Like my strands say thank you. Oh thank you, I love you. Cause this stuff does it for me. It's awesome, great, pricey, but worth every cent. A little bit goes a long way. Great moisturizer. So you usually get this Diva Curl product from Ulta or on their website. This was like $38. Yeah, $38. But it's been worth every cent. I enjoyed this. But Melt into Moisture by Diva Curl is one of my favorites. Conditioners, deep conditioners. The next one is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey, and I don't have it here because I gave the last of it to my little niece, but I'll put a picture of it right here. The Manuka Honey, great product through Shea Moisture. Smells awesome. It moisturizes your hair. It's just a great conditioner. My strands love it, and it's great. I'm really enjoyed that Manuka Honey. Another one I have fell for and like is the Mael Organic Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. This is it. This hair mask is great. It tingles in your hair. I love it. It smells, you can smell the rosemary. The smell is not the best, but it doesn't linger in your hair after you use it. It's more of, you can use it for, you get protein in it. It has protein in it. So I really love it on those days when I need that protein. And I'll take this with my rice water and it works but thebomb.com. My hair feels stronger after I use it. So this is a great deep conditioner. Another one I love from Urban Hydration is the Honey Argan Oil Sweet Vanilla Bean Extract Health and Repair Deep Conditioner. It's the step 2 from the shampoo. This is it. As I said, this was like $5 I think I paid for at the hair show. I think the regular price is no more than $10. This is really great conditioner. It's thick, very thick. See, not going anywhere. All of my deep conditioners I notice I use are very thick. Like, this is the Mael, not going nowhere. Let's see, what other ones I said? The Diva Curl, I just had it in my hand. I don't know what I did. Oh, here it goes. The Diva Curl, not going anywhere. So I love a thick conditioner, deep conditioner. It really works for me. It penetrates my strands, and sitting under the steamer once a week really helps with my moisture in my hair and the protein in my hair. So the next one I love is it's new on my one of my new staples is the Patterns line from Tracy Ellis, and her deep conditioners are always, her conditioners are larger size in all of her products, because you know you're going to use more conditioner than you do shampoo and anything else. But this is my favorite now here I've been using, and I have the heavy conditioner for coilies. This one here is so freaking thick, guys. Let me see if I can get it to come out. I mean, it is thick. It's not going nowhere at all. So this is a great deep conditioner to use. Guys, forgive me, my new baby has came in the room. What you want, Dash? Anybody see you? Oh, this is my new boo, my new baby. Say hi, Dash. Look up. Say hey. Say hey. Don't try to lick mommy. Go on with your sister. This is my new boo, Dash. He's my little rescue dog we just got. He's a handful too. Go with Vaughn. I'm almost done. He's a boxer and a pit bull mix, so you know he's gonna be a handful. Alright, so Pattern, great, deep, moisturizing. Oh, it makes my strands melt. And I mean, it just made them feel so soft, so moisturized. It's just a great conditioner. Love this. And another one I like is, let me see, where is it at? Now I'm looking now, I got my little list right here. So I said Diva Curl, Shea Moisture, Pattern, Mael, and Herbal Hydration. Oh, I want to mention two other ones that I don't use a lot, but they're really great. One of them is the Lavender Deep Conditioner, the Lavender Quench Deep Conditioner from Camille Rose. I don't use this a lot, but when I do use it, I'm using it more for the scalp thing, because for some reason when you put this on your scalp or put this in your hair, it makes your scalp tingles. It's like it's working in your scalp, and I really liked how it makes my hair feel. So this is one I like. I got this off the website in my bundle, and it was, I can't even remember how much I paid for this, how long it's been, so I don't know the price of this, but I'll try to find it and put it over here somewhere where the price is. It's not that cheap. It's a little expensive for Camille Rose. You know Camille Rose, unless you get it on a when she had a Black Friday or at a hair show, you're gonna pay some money for her product. So it's really, but this is all natural, no all that parabens, and all of my deep conditioners don't have all that parabens and all that stuff in it. They are sulfate free, paraben free, so mineral oils free and all that stuff. So this is the one to mention. I don't use it a lot, but when I do, I feel like it really does work well. And the last one is I just started using, guys, and it is another one of Mo's Nose items, and it is the Curl Restoring Treatment Mask. Oh my Lord. Oh, it has the same smell as the other stuff, and look how it's not coming off your finger. Very thick too, very thick. But when it penetrates your scalp, I mean not your scalp, when it penetrates your strands, it like melting butter. It's like butter. It is amazing. I just started using this recently. I love this so much I went and bought another one somewhere. It was in the back. I bought another one because I love it so. This was 4 for $20, but now I think if the sale is over at Sally's, you can get it for no more than 10 something, maybe 11. I'm not for sure the price, but it's really worth the price. A little bit goes a long way. I mean, I've used it twice and I just made a little dent in it. If you can see that. Look, ain't going nowhere. Ain't going nowhere. That's how thick it is. So great conditioner, deep conditioner. So guys, these are the 5, well 7, because I had extra 2 that I had to mention. These are the deep conditioners I love and rotate in my weekly deep conditioning process. As I say, I do deep condition my hair every week, and since I've been doing that, I've been seeing the growth. And guys, another thing I do, as I stated in my growth video, I'm gonna try to put that up here somewhere, that I use rice water to spray my hair after I put my deep conditioner in. So what I do, I put my deep conditioner in, then I spray it with rice water, and then I sit under my steamer for 15 to 20 minutes, and that's what I've been doing for deep conditioning for the past, I say 6 months, and I've been seeing the growth. It's worth it. I mean, it's really working. So if you have any questions, comments, if you use any of these deep conditioners, put down there how it turned out for you. If you found a deep conditioner that works really well and you would like to share it with me and let me know about it so I can try it out, put it down there. Do you think deep conditioner is really worth it? Put it down there. I need to know what you think about deep conditioning, because I think it's worth it, but some people say they think it's a waste of time. But I really love to deep condition my hair. So write that down there and let me know. Talk to me. Come on, comment to me. So if you have any questions, any comments, put it down there. Thank you for your likes, your shares, your comments, and if you are new, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell if you like the content you're seeing, and become a member of this family. Remember to love hard, laugh often, and live in the moments. Smooches.